Scott with Hammer in Hand with an update on the Karuna house. Well, it's been about a month since we've pulled down the scaffold and torn off the tarp for the big unveiling, and we're here on a rare sunny day out here in Newberg, so we're going to take a quick tour around the whole exterior of the building and show it off. What we have here is this is our exterior grade plaster, and then this is obviously our western red cedar, all on a rain screen. So we're essentially done on the outside aside from a little punch list, and we're working inside right now doing working on all the trim, hanging the doors, and getting ready to set some floors and cabinets. One of the most challenging things on the exterior of this project are the alignments. This is an architectural element, and it's that black shadow line, that little half-inch reveal between the thermochrome X and the wood siding. And if you think about it, we've got these walls that are 16 inches thick, so we have these wood structure walls that are way out here, two walls that come together, and then we have our air barrier, and then we have 6 inches of polyiso, then we have our rain screen. So we have a structural wall all the way out here. We keep building and building and building, and then all of a sudden they have to meet for this perfect little half-inch shadow line. That's actually difficult to do because things kind of cumulatively grow as you stack them. We nailed it on this one. It's a perfect, nice shadow line. It rolls the whole way around. It's what the idea is, that these two pieces kind of look like they're sliding past each other, and the elements are floating. We're looking here, this is our east-facing elevation. You can see our window shades are kind of rolled down. We've been making sure everything's working properly there. We've left them down a couple of inches so we can get our hands up in there and work. We've got our cedar siding. As we take a couple other shots, you can see these shadow lines all around the windows and up above the parapet cap and at the bottom. That's all our back venting going on, and it creates some really cool lines as it comes across the building. We have our lattice up here. This is just more of an architectural detail, although there is one spot where the lattice goes across the window to provide some shading. Then we'll roll around to our south-facing exposure. Okay, this is our southern exposure. We've got our little 10 kilowatt solar array. Again, all our shades and our OptiWind windows. Right now, on a day like today, it's mid-30s, might be 35, 36, and we're getting a ton of solar gain, and the house is just warm inside. We're not running any heat at all, and it's extremely comfortable. That's it for our exterior tour in Karuna. Our next segment is going to be on our exterior shading system, our Hella shades, how we hooked them up, how they work, once we get permanent power to those. Thanks.